In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts onto your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. If you haven't already logged into your account, type in your credentials, including your email address and your password to log in, and then you will be taken into your email account. Once you are logged in, look at the left side and you will find the contacts option. Just click on it. And now you can see all of your contacts that you have. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your contacts and then click on add a new contact. You can then type in your contact details and even add a profile picture by clicking on the profile. Then enter your email address by clicking on add email, and you can also add a phone number and their address as well as various other details. After entering all of your information, click on the save button. And now this contact will be added to your AOL account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new contact on your AOL mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.